Traveling salesman problem. First, I'll tell you what is this problem, and then we'll move on to the problem. Okay, traveling salesman means the name itself. Suppose there are four cities. City number A, B, C, D. Assume like that. He want to travel and sell his goods. Okay. Suppose A is his source. From A to B, C, D, he has to visit all the cities and sell his products, and then again come back to the source. That is, come back to A. Okay, which means generally, suppose a salesperson or whatever the duty they are doing will start from our home. Whatever the cities we want to visit, will visit and will again come back to our home only. Same that thing we are applying in this problem. Traveling salesman problem means he used to travel and sell his goods in all cities. After selling his products, again come back to the origin city, that is source. Okay, that is nothing but the traveling salesman problem. Is it clear? Did you understand what is traveling salesman? Will start from one source to visit all the remaining vertices and then again come back to the source vertex. That is nothing but the traveling salesman problem. How can we come back? What is the best way to visit the which city we will visit first to reduce the cost of visiting? That we will discuss. Is it clear the problem? Say yes or no. Is it
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Then I'll draw the graph. Observe carefully. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See here 1 to 2 there is an edge, and 2 to 1 also there is an edge. I'm not writing the cost here. I'll write it in the adjacency matrix form. If I write here, we will get confusion because each and vertex has incoming edge as well as outgoing edge, which means 1 to 2 we are having edge, 2 to 1 also we are having edge, 1 to 4 we are having edge, 4 to 1 also we are having edge. If I write costs also here, it will be a confusion. So I'll write cost in the adjacency matrix form. Okay. So from 1 to all the vertices the edges. From 2 to all the vertices I am having the edges. From 3 to all, 4 to all. This is nothing but the given problem. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here also 1, 2, 3. What is the cost? 1 to 1 is 0, 10, 15, 20. 5, 0, 9, 10. 6, 13, 0, 8, 9, 0. Assume this is the given problem. From this problem, we are going to construct which one is the best way to visit. If I visit which city, can I get the minimum cost? That we have to discuss. Before going to the formulae, first we'll discuss this problem with brute force method. What is brute force method? We'll check it now. So from where can you move? What are the possibilities to move from 1? From 1, where can you move? Please respond now.
All the other vertices 2, 3, and
1 is the source. From 1, where can you move? What are the outgoing edges? From 1 to 2 you can move, 1 to 3 you can move, 1 to 4 you can move. So from 1 to 2 I can, 1 to 3 I can, next 1 to 4 also possible. Next, now 1, 2 I have visited. Next, what are the possibilities here I can able to visit after 2? The possibilities are 3, 4, because already I visited 1 and 2, right? Same concept if I apply here 1 and 3. Next I can able to visit 2 as well as 4. Same concept if I apply here 1, 4 already visited. What are the what are the remaining possibilities? 2 and next to 1, 2, 3 I have visited. The remaining possibility is 4. If you come here 1, 2, 4 I have visited. The remaining possibility is 3. Here 1, 3, 2 I have visited. Remaining possibility is 4. 1, 3, 4 I have visited. Remaining possibility is 2. Here 1, 4, 2 I have visited. The remaining possibility is. Here I have visited 1, 4, 3. The remaining possibility is 2. Okay. What I told you, after visiting all the vertices, again it has to come back to the source node. What is the source node here? After this, what will you write?
One.
After what, ma?
One.
Very good. So again it has to come back to the origin or source, that is 1. Simply I'm writing here, it's like 1. Is anybody having doubt regarding this? If you have any doubt, please let me know. Right? Now, what is the cost? How can we calculate the cost? Observe here, we will not calculate the cost from top to bottom. We'll calculate the cost from bottom to top. How can we calculate the cost using brute force technique? We'll discuss now. Okay. See here, 4. What is the distance from 4 to 1? What is the distance here? 4 to 1, what is the distance? Please respond, ma.
8, ma'am.
8, right? So we will update the distance is like 8. So here the cost is 8. Next 3 to 1, what is the distance? 3 to 1.
6.
6. 4 to 1 already we have visited, right? That is 8. 2 to 1.
5, ma'am.
3 to 1. 6.
6.
2 to 1. Again it is 8. Right? So I have updated the cost here. Next, what you will do? Next is 3 to 4. What is the cost? 3 to
12.
4. What is cost? 3 to 4 cost is, what is the cost here? 12. Can I write here 12 or 12 plus 8? Which one will you write? Because this is the cost after visiting this, right? So I can write here 12 plus 8. What I'll write? This is the cost to visit 3 to 4. Already we have, again after visiting 3 to 4, we have to reach to the source, no? So it is 8. So what will you write here? 12 plus 8, which is equals to 20. Am I clear with this step? Am I clear with this step? 3 to 4 means you cannot stop from 4. You have to again go back to 1. That's why to go back to 1, it cost 8. Next, to reach 3 to 4, it costs 12. We have to get the 20. Is it clear, ma, this step? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, 4 to 3, what is the cost? 4 to 3 is 9.
9.
9 plus 6 is 15. 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Next, 4 to 2. 4 to 2 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Next, 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Next, 3 to 2. 3 to 2 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. This is the cost at second level. Next, we'll come back here. 2 to 3. 2 to 3, what is the cost?
9.
9. 9 plus 20, what is the cost?
20.
29.
29 is the only way, or we will have another way? Here we will have another way also, right? 2 to 4. What is the cost?
15.
Is it 15?
2 to 4.
10.
10.
10 plus 15. What is
25.
25. So in 29 and 25, which one is minimum?
25, ma'am.
25 is minimum. So here I will consider the cost is 25. Am I clear with this, ma'am? This step. See, here we will not calculate minimum because here it is having only one edge. Okay, but only one children we are having. But when you come to 2, here you are having 2 children. No, for 2 children we'll calculate the cost. From these 2 children, which one will give you the minimum value that we are considering? Am I clear with this step? Say yes or no. Clear, ma?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here, 3 to 2, what is the cost? 13. 13 plus 18, which is 31, comma. Next here, 3 to 4, what is the cost? 12. 12 plus 13. 12 plus 13 is 12 plus 13 is 35, right? So which one is minimum?
31.
Man, 12 plus 13, 25.
25, no? Okay. 25. Which one is minimum? 25.
25.
Minimum one. So we will consider 25. Next, 4 to 2. 4 to 2, which one is minimum? 4 to 2, which one is, sorry, 4 to 2, what is the cost?
8.
8. 8 plus 15, which is
23.
23, comma. Next, 4 to 3, what is the cost? 9. 9 plus 18. What is 9 plus 18?
27.
7.
One is minimum. 23 is the minimum. This cost I am updating with 23. Now same we will consider here. 1 into what is the cost? 1 to 2. 10, right? 10 plus 25. What it will give you? 35. Next here also. 1 to 3. What is the cost? 1 to 3. 15. 15 plus 25, which is equals to 40. Next 1 to 4. What is the cost? 20. 20 plus 20. It is 23, right? 20 plus 23 is 43. Which one is minimum among this?
35.
35 will consider as the cost. 35 where you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4. In this line only you are sorry 1, 2, 4, 3, right? 1, 2, 4, 3, 1. Because 25 is from 2, 4, 3, no? So 1, 2, 4, 3, 1. This is the best path to visit. So first traveling salesperson. Salesperson will start from vertex 1 and then he will go to 2 and then he'll go to 4 and then he'll go to 3 and come back to 1. So 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3 and come back to 1. This is nothing but the shortest path. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Say yes or no, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
This is simply brute force technique. This is not the solution. We did not apply any formula here. This is simply a shortcut. How can we do this problem using dynamic programming? We'll see now. Using dynamic programming, how can we solve this? We'll see now. Because the formula for this is G of I comma S is equals to minimum of J belongs to S, Cij plus G of Okay, this is the formula. We will understand the formula after completion of the problem. Up to that, this is the formula. First, how can we solve this? Where we have started from 2 to the remaining vertices. So what I am writing, observe carefully. First, g of 1 is the source, right? What are the remaining vertices? 2. Set I am considering as empty because from 2 to source, that is 1 only we are calculating. So I am taking it like empty. 3 of 3 comma 5, 4 comma 5. Minimum of J belongs to yes. Do you have any yes here? Do you have any yes here? No, it is simply 5, right? So no need of calculating this minimum. So how can we calculate this? This can be calculated. G of 2 comma 5 is nothing but simply C21. Cost from 5 means no more vertices are there to visit. We again come back to the source. Bottom up approach, no? So at last, again we'll come back to source itself. No more vertices are there to visit. That's why I have taken it like 5 and I am going to first vertex itself. So I can write it C21, C31, C41. What are the values? Tell me first. Did anyone note it down that matrix?
Ma'am, 2 1 is 5.
Okay, ma, very good. 2 1 is
5.
5. 3 1,
3 1 is 6.
yes.
4 1 is 8.
Right? Is anybody having confusion here? From 2 to last, 3 to last, 4 to last. Last is nothing but again is source. Am I clear with the step? This is step 1. Okay, now I am writing this step 2. What I am writing step 2? Observe carefully. G of from 2. From 2, how many vertices are possible? 3 is one possibility. 4 is another possibility. Okay. Here I have considered no more vertices to visit. Now I am considering only one vertex to visit. So 3 comma, what are the possibilities for 3? 2 and 4. For 4, what are the possibilities? 2 and 3. Now apply that formula. Minimum of J belongs to yes. What is S here? It is 3. So what is the value of J here? 3, right? So C I is 2. This is I, right? What is J, ma? Tell me. J belongs to yes. S is having 3. So J is nothing but 3, right? C2 3 plus G of J comma. J value is 3. S minus J. S is also 3. J is also 3. 3 minus 3 is 0, which is nothing but 5. Okay. So minimum of, we don't have many more elements. So no need to find the minimum. Complete this value. C23. Tell me what is C23, Rishita?
3 2 3 is 9, ma'am.
9 plus. What is G of 3 comma 5? Just now we have calculated. No. So 9 plus 6, which is equals to 15. Okay. Next is C24. No need to calculate minimum. J is nothing but 4. So C24 plus G of J value is 4, right? So 4 comma 5. What is C24, Rishita?
10, ma'am.
10?
Plus 8.
10 plus 8. Very good. Which is equals to 18. Now 2's part is over. Next this one. C32 plus G of 2 comma 5. What is C32?
13.
13. 13 plus what is G25? 5, right? Which is equals to again 18. Next, C34. C34 plus G of 4 comma 5. What is G of 4? Sorry, C34.
12.
What ma?
12, 12.
12 plus 8, which is equals to 20. Next, 42. C42 plus G of 2 comma 5. G of 2 comma 5. What is C42?
9, ma'am.
2 comma 5 is 5, which is equals to 14. Next, C43. C43 plus G of
Sorry,
3
sorry. C42 is 8, ma'am. 43 is 9.
is 8.
This is 8. Will be
8
30.
is the cost, which is 13. Now it is 9. 9 plus
9, 6.
6, which is equals to 3. Am I clear with? See here, no more element to visit. Directly I am visiting the source. Next, one step before. One step before means here you are. Okay, from 3, what are the possibilities? 4 and 2. Here if you observe 3 is 2 times. 2 times you can see. What are the possibilities? 4, 2. 4 also 2 times you can see. What are the possibilities? 3 and 2. 2 also you can see 2 times. What are the possibilities? 4, 2. Which means here up to this point we have completed. Is anybody having doubt up to this point? Is it clear, ma? Say yes or no.
Clear, ma'am.
Next, step 3 I'm writing. What I'm writing, observe carefully. G of 2 comma. Now I'm considering 2 children at a time in my set. What are the possibilities for 2, 3, 4? See, in the tree also if you observe, now we are here in this level. 2, what are the possibilities? 2 children. Up to this part it is having only 1 children, but here 2 children. What are they? 3 comma 4. That's what I have considered here. Next, G of 3 comma 2, 4. Next, G of 4 comma 2, 3. Okay. Now, tell me, ma'am. Now we need minimum. Minimum of, now my j belongs to 3 as well as 4. Right? Here we will get 2 values. C2, 3. First I'm considering my j value as 3. This part is j value is 3. So C2, 3 plus g of, what I have written, j comma, j is 3. J comma s minus j, s is 3, 4 minus 3. 3, 4 minus 3 means we will have only 4. Am I clear with this step? This is when you assume j is 3. J equals to 3. What is another possibility for j? Comma. What is another possibility for j? C2, 4. J is 4. This is j equals to 4. Now what will you get? G of 4 comma. Am I clear with this step? Am I clear with this step? Yes or no, ma?
Ma'am, shouldn't we get G of 3, 5 and G of 4, 5?
Do you have any 5 here?
No.
Then how can you write 5? Why I have 3 comma 4 means the family is Cij. I is 2. J I am assuming here
Yes,
3.
ma'am.
So Cij plus G of j comma j is 3 comma s minus j. S minus j means s is 3, 4 minus 3, which means we will have only 4. Okay, here I am assuming j equals to 4. Cij, I is 2, j is 4. C2, 4 plus g of j comma j is 4 comma s minus j. 3 minus 4 minus 4, which means we'll have only 3. Clear, Rishita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. C23, what is C23 value?
9, ma'am.
9.
9. 3, 4 value. See here already we have calculated.
20.
Which is 20. So plus 20. What is C24 value?
10.
What is G4 comma 3 value? We'll see. G4 comma 3 value, which is 15. Which one is minimum? 29 or 25? 25 is minimum, so I'm writing 25 here. Am I clear with this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next step is minimum of C3 2. First I'm assuming my J is like 2 because in the set we are having 2 4. So first I'm assuming 2. When I assume 2 means the remaining one will get which is equals to 4. 2 comma 4, right? Next comma C34 plus G of 4 comma 2. What is C32? What is C32? Can anyone tell me?
13.
What?
13, ma'am.
13. What is G24? We'll see.
18.
G24 is 18. Very good. What is C34?
12.
What is G42?
13.
13. Which one is minimum?
12 plus 14.
25 is the minimum. This is also okay. Next here, what will you write? Minimum of C4. First I'm assuming my J equals to 2. So G of 2 comma 3 comma C4 3 plus G of now minimum of C42, what is the value?
8, ma'am.
Plus G23,
15.
15.
Yes, ma'am.
C43,
9.
9, ma'am.
9.
And then
9 plus G43
ma'am,
is 18, right?
G43 is 15, ma'am. G32, no, ma'am, it is not G43.
G
G32, no, ma'am.
okay, sorry. G32. What is G32?
18.
8, right? Okay. So 15 plus 23, which is the minimum one. So we will get 23 here. Is anybody having doubt in this step? So in our tree, if you observe, we have completed this level. Now we are left with only one level. But that one level is having how many children? How many children? 3 children,
3.
right? So the last step is fourth step. The last step is G of 1 comma. How many children it is having? 2 comma 3 comma 4. So, now tell me, ma, what is the formula? Minimum of, first I am assuming my J is equals to 2. 2 means C12 plus G of 2 comma. What will you write? 3, 4. Is it not, ma? 2, 3, 4 minus 2, which means we will have only 3, 4. Am I clear with this? Say yes or no. C13 plus G of 3 comma 2, 4 comma C14 plus G of 4 comma 2, 3. Now tell me, what is C12? What is C12?
10, ma'am.
10.
Yes, ma'am.
10 plus what is G234? Just now we have calculated it is 25, comma. What is C13?
15.
15 plus G3 have calculated
25.
25. So next C14
20.
20 plus G423 which is 23. 35, 40, 43. Which one is minimum? 35 is the minimum. 35 we will get. Right? Am I clear, ma? So 35 where we are getting? Here we are getting. Okay, go to that step from this back like that. So the path is 1, 2, 4. Again go back to 1. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. Am I clear with this problem?
Yes, ma'am.
The formula is you have to remember this formula. In exam, you have to solve like this. There is no algorithm for this and reliability design. Only problem is there in our textbook. Am I clear with this, ma? Is there any difficulty to follow? Okay, all of you note down this problem. With this topic, we have completed module number 2. Sorry, module number 3. I'll show you the syllabus. Within 5 minutes, you complete it. And we'll go on to completed, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible, all of you? Is it visible, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. General method we have seen, multi-stage gaps we have seen, all pair shortest path in the last laboratory also we have done this, optimal binary search trees, reliability design, traveling salesman problem. Only 5 problems, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 problems we have completed. This is your module 3 syllabus. If you have any doubt, we'll discuss that in the laboratory session. Am I clear with this? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, now what do we have to do about our lab observations and records, ma'am?
You are not coming, no?
Yes, ma'am. Like you asked us to complete our observation, so most of us did that. And now we're not sure if we have to write our records or not.
Write your records when you come to college. I don't know when the lockdown has ended. When they'll open that, all the things I don't know, right? You keep observations that will be useful for you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, also few of them don't have record and observation books, so where will they complete?
See, those don't have no need to write right now because they're not able to come to college and buy the books, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the practice. Okay.
Ma'am, so what's the alternative for that, ma'am?
For what?
I mean, like, if we don't have books, what should we do? No need to write for now.
No need to write for now. And if the college opens,
Ma'am, but in the last minute, it will be hectic for us, no, ma'am.
then what you are doing in this 2 weeks?
You tell us, ma'am, what should we do?
See, ma, I have given the instructions 2 weeks back itself. When there is no choice, means you are asking me the question. This is not the thing, right? I have instructed 2 weeks before. Till now, you did not buy. Then and asking me now there is no way to come to college. Now itself you are asking what I do. And you are telling me that at last minute it will be a headache. What you did in this 2 weeks?
Ma'am, can we keep a separate book, ma'am?
For observation, separate book I can accept, but for record, if it
Or can
opens,
we buy like classmate records? Ma'am? Classmate record books ఉంటాయి కదా ma'am, like the brand.
observation it is okay, ma. But if it opens before the end exams, you buy and write the record. It is simply 11 programs. No, it will not take much, more than 1 hour.
No, ma'am. Should the record books be only Geetam or any other record book?
Talking about observations, first you complete observations. In observation, you can write it in your notebook itself. Notebook in the sense you take some separate book. In that book, you write it observation. Forget about record, that we'll discuss later.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma, those who are having doubts, they can stay and remain.